Alright guys, a quick little update on the Zenith Cruzer. We're out here, we're working on the wings, and we made a little bit of progress. Let me show you guys. So this is not riveted together, it's only clecoed at the moment. I didn't do a whole lot of filming because I was mainly just painting this stuff. I haven't painted everything, but I was mainly just priming all these parts. So right now just test fitting it, kind of seeing how everything goes together. Everything's lining up pretty good. Only modification I've done so far is right here. I had to cut, you can kind of see where I need to put a little bit of primer because I filed it, but I had to cut this part in order for it to fit, because when I slid this under, the holes weren't lining up. So I did have to cut a little notch out of that. And I saw somewhere where, I think in the instructions online, where they banged it down or something with a hammer and did some kind of weird, I don't even know what you would call it, but I decided to cut it out because I thought it would be easier. But yeah, so far everything is lining up pretty good. I got this on here. And I know you guys are going to ask about primer. So without going too far into too many details on the primer, let me explain to you guys why I'm priming it. And that's really all I'm going to talk about, I think, about primer, because I know this is a delicate topic. So I live on the eastern shore, you know, pretty close to the ocean, okay? I'm actually pretty close where I live. I'm only about 8 miles from the Delaware Bay. So my thought process was, I want a little bit of protection on it. Now, I know primer, you know, this isn't, I'm not spraying this on with a gun, guys. I do have spray equipment. I have a spray gun. I have a compressor, and I could have sprayed epoxy. But epoxy, one, it's going to take a lot more time because I have to set everything up. And two, it's going to weigh a lot more. I am going to paint the exterior, and I am probably going to do that myself. And I'm going to use, you know, a spray gun for that. I'm not going to use rattle can. We did get these ribs riveted on. They riveted on very nicely. It was a little tough to, so I'm using this Milwaukee tool. It's a little tough to get it in here. You see I put some tape on it so it wouldn't scratch this stuff up too bad. You kind of got to bend it out a little bit because you do want to get this as flat as you can. So you kind of got to, when you do it, you kind of got to bend it out. Here's where I'm at. Right now I'm trying to drill this spar tip, I guess you would call it. These need to be drilled out to fit A6 rivets. And let's put that in there. Put that in there. This one is not. It's not going in. I'm trying to be a little careful so I don't scratch the heck out of my paint, but there we go. We're going to pull from this side. We are going to clamp her. Well, I would say that's better than nothing. Alright, we got the big boy on here, so let's see how it does. Man, this thing